didn't know what it meant to be alone. I didn't know till the day you were gone that I could ever feel this miserable without you here with me. But now I'm standing looking in the mirror, wondering whatever happened to our love. Deep down I thought that there would always be enough. Since you disappeared, I know it's time to wait for no one. You gotta say what you want. If you were here with me now, I'd tell you you're the one. 'Cause you're the closest thing to an angel that I ever met. So don't you worry, I'll never forget you. Although you can't be here by my side.
Wala, huwag ka natin. Belated na Jod, hindi na ako nahatag ni Moniz, kay Dili kasulod ang pig-deliver. Happy birthday, Nis. Ayaw pasulabi o pasiksik, kay basin malampasan ni Mus ng tortina. Tortina! Thank you! Wala, thank you kayo.
Dayo mga message ni Ma'am Evelyn.
Wow, thank you, Ate Billy. Ako ngayon na, ni 31. Thank you, Te. I love you.
Sige, belated happy birthday, Ma'am. Thank you.